8 channels timer board. Mode 1. Banknotes in. Push button start 1. Channel 1 is working. Push button start 2. Channel 2 is working. Push button start 3. Channel 3 is working. Warning sign. Button pause. Push pause. All channels stop working. Push pause. All channels continue working. At time. Mode 2. Banknotes in. Push start. Channel 3 start working. Warning sign. At time. Other machines cannot work. Start 1 machine 1 standby. Channel 1 start working. Button pause. Stop working. Continue working. Button check. Button check. Push button check. Displays channel 4, 5, 6. Push button check. Displays channel 7, 8. Push button check. Displays channel 1, 2, 3. Button package. Enough balance. Button package. Push button package 1 standby. Then push any button start. Machine 1 start working. Push button start 2. Switch to machine 2 free. Push button start 3. Switch to machine 3 free. Button end. Remaining time. Push button end. Clear remaining time. Button refund. Enough balance. Use one of machines at least. Push button refund. Output remaining pauses.